Okay, we want something brighter. We want something more cozy at the same time. Okay, so we chose this color. But actually, most of it is chosen by iPlan itself, yeah. My name is Aaron and this is my wife Jessica. Okay, if you've seen us before, we are doing live daily, okay, on TikTok. Angbo SG. We just changed our name to Angbo SG. I'm the Ang.
I'm the ball.
I'm the ball. Jeff make it very simple for all of us. A, B, choose one. So both of us say B, or then it's going to be B. Yep. If I say A, she say B. Hey Jeff, what? Then Jeff will tell us or A. Then okay, make it so simple for us. Okay. You tell me about the Marilyn Monroe, that thing, right?
什么 Marilyn 什么谁
Marilyn Monroe.
Marie Kondo.
Oh, Marie Kondo, sorry, Marie Kondo. So it's all about storage, okay? Packing the stuff, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So she say, okay, the house, although right now very small, only 2 rooms. So we tell Jeff, okay, our concern is storage. Storage is a concern, okay? So that is why he came up with all this design with a lot of shelving for us, okay, to go and slot the stuff in, put the thing here with a lot of drawer, with a lot of cabinets as well. So it doesn't take up a lot of space, but at the same time we can keep a lot of stuff.
It actually
Correct. Yeah. So that's why she like.
We live in a very small space.
Yeah,
and then we have 4 members of the family, so it's like there's a lot of things to actually pack.
So things that can be hidden. If it cannot be hidden, just show out. It's okay.
And I hate mess. Oh my god, I hate mess.
So storage is very important, and we wanted something cozy, right? Okay, I told Jeff, I want something cozy, and I want the light to change color. I want it to be,
from the first house until second house, you still want the light to change color.
Because sometimes you want it white, sometimes you just want it cozy, and the selection that Jeff has, okay, every color matches it. Okay, I use white, I use the cool color, cool light, the color matches. I use the warm light, the color matches. I use the in between, the color matches. So really, okay, this is very important as well. Jeff created a very nice light box
like
for
a
us.
dream come true.
Yeah, okay, because we got not much space, and right, okay, when you do live streaming, we need lights and all. And then behind the table, imagine you still have to put lights and all. It's going to be so difficult. That is why he created a light box for us.
Correct.
So we just put our camera right in front of the light box. We have the whole lighting before us, really. So I really appreciate that place. I really love the place, and of course the hidden door.
Yeah,
right. Our hidden room, right? It feels like a hidden room, so I really love it. Right now, this is the place that when I come back home, I feel relaxed.
Very relaxed.
I feel very relaxed.
Yes.
So this is a very important
element, I would say,
for our house.
Yes.
So guys, remember, okay, if you want to look for a renovation, you want to look for someone to renovate your house, you want to look for design, go to iPlan.
Highly recommend
iPlan Studio, because why? They really put in all the effort, okay, to understand what you want, okay, to give you what you want as well. And I tell you, Jeff, okay, if you can call him Kantie, maybe you get a little bit more thing. Okay, but okay, I mean it's true. Okay, they are really professional and really friendly.
Correct. Thank you.